Good day everyone. This is a quick one for those who requested for how to load up their LUTs on Photoshop. So first of all, if you already have LUTs loaded up, this is how you know if already there are LUTs loaded up. Come to adjustment layer, this circle half of a one, click on it, come to color lookup, click on it, then this is load 3D LUTs. So this is actually where we can load our 3D LUTs. So when I click on this place, you can see I actually don't have any 3D LUTs already loaded. So here comes the next step. So for you to load the LUTs, first of all, copy the LUT, extract those LUTs. So right here I have my LUTs extracted already. Copy your LUTs. Once you're done copying your LUTs, go to this PC and click on it. Open your local disk C. It's always C, alright? Open it up. If you're on 32-bit operating system, I don't think it has the same x86, but almost alike. Every step is the same. So I'm on 62-bit, so I open this one, this x86 program file. So right here, I'm using Adobe Photoshop Beta 2023. Yours could be different. So once you see Adobe Photoshop, anything, just open it. So scroll down to where you see presets, this one here, open it up. Then the last thing is go to 3D LUT and open it. So right here, paste the LUT that you copied, which you have extracted. It will ask you to provide permission. Just click continue. So once this is done, close it up, and you need to restart your Photoshop for it to load up. Okay, so at this point you can see the LUT is not showing, so I have to restart Photoshop. All right, so guys, I've reopened the Photoshop. So I'm going to open up the LUTs which I've loaded up in the right place. So let me use the original picture to make that experiment. So we go back to our adjustment layer, which is here, then color lookups, then load. So as you can see right now, all the LUTs which I've loaded has appeared right here. So let's try and apply one of them for you to actually see. Okay, so see before, after, before, after. Please also take note that before you apply LUTs, make sure you have work on the skin, frequency, everything, and the rest. So thank you guys.